What is up, guys? Right now, Spore off of 935, you know what it is. And we are at New Jersey. We are on the train right now. So,
they know you're at New Jersey.
I didn't tell them. I just know where we are. There's so many buildings over here. Look. They're kind of old looking. So, we're on the train at Smoothie 21. We're going to the tunnel. There's a tunnel here. And this train's going to take off in 1 minute. So just see them. Yeah, we've been here last year. Oh no, it's starting to get cloudy a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, but
No, it's not cloudy. It's just because of the window. The window is dark.
maybe because the window's dark or something.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, I see that. The window's dark.
The window's dark. Finally, happening since it's going in 0 minutes, but it's not even going. It's still going. Any minute now.
Any minute now. It's gonna take off. And there's like 16 train stops, so I'm gonna like pause it a few times because there's 16 stops. And then total 16 stops. From the first stop to the last stop, it's 16. Well, second to the last stop, 16 train stops. Oh, we're about to go.
Alright.
Here we go.
I thought you when I get promoted, when I get there.
Here we are.
But now the light rail is they put.
Here we go. And I got my stuff.
I don't know the other one name anyway.
Like, this is my drink.
That was
Here we go. I'm gonna pause it a few times. West Side Avenue. We're at West Side Avenue, New Jersey City, New Jersey. Right now, we're on the train. Live 21.
Not seen high there, but it's high
See where we are?
Alright, where you going? I know I can hear you driving. I can hear you in the car driving.
Look at this. This is not the tunnel. So I'm just gonna pause it a few times.
Got this black? I say y'all just black? Yeah, don't be out here traffic.
It's a lot.
I'm on like this way to therapy.
All this. So I'm gonna pause it a few times.
11:30. I'm on the light rail now. It's full off.
Now you want
Yeah, I'm on the light rail.
No.
but
Recordables is a gaming screen recorder. Here we are.
Yeah, I remember.
Martin Luther King Drive, which is the second stop of the light rail.
it's supposed to be on the portable.
No, I'm not recording a game. I'm recording a real life
That
video.
thing already made it. Everything's already done.
This is my favorite train stop because there's so much to see. There's a McDonald's over there.
Oh,
LB.
Oh, it's not crowded.
You talking about me? That's you with the because you be. I do away that thing that be in the sink. I mean, not in the sink, in the bathtub. But that thing, when it's wet and it's let it dry, it's the thing that you be in the bathroom.
Okay, I'm gonna skip the next stop because it might take a little long. So that's cool.
this is the train.
And we have.
So I'm gonna skip the next stop. So I'm gonna come back at the next stop. So I'm gonna come back at the next stop. Here we are at the next stop. That didn't take long. Like I said, I'm gonna pause it sometimes. So if you're new, definitely subscribe. All that good stuff. Do all that good stuff. Yeah. So if I pause it, that's because it's kind of taking too long. So
3 people subscribe to me,
yeah.
and it might be one of you guys.
Yeah. And I have snacks too, so. Next stop is Liberty State Park, so I'm going to pause it when we get to Liberty State Park. Okay guys, we are at Liberty State Park. Must be at the train station.
Let's see how the fountain looks. I can see it. And I have 2 corners, and how come it's so big? I mean 3. How the
The Liberty Science Center is over there.
Liberty Science Center? I forgot.
And Liberty State, the actual park is over there. Here we are at the Liberty State Park.
You got a lot of stuff like this.
Let's go. Oh, not that crowded. Barely anyone. I got some sour chips.
Martin Luther King's life. We're going backwards.
Sour Skittles.
It's the West Side Avenue. This is the Drake. I don't really have it back there. But it's
Okay.
Hey, let's take another right.
I'm gonna pause for a little while this time, guys. So I'm gonna come back where I went. I'm gonna come back in like 4 train stops. So be right back. Okay, guys, we're at Essex Street. I told y'all to skip 4 train stops. Now there's a big building right there, so we stopped right beside this really big building, and there's a playground back there.
yeah, and we used to go to that playground, did we?
I think, but
Epic Street.
Essex Street.
Essex Street is just like Epic Street.
Tunnel Avenue, 0 minutes, so that's us. Okay, I will be right back once again in 3 train stops.
Bye.
Okay, we are at Exchange Place. I just decided to pause it. Play it when we got here. Cause look at that big building. It's so big. I can't even see it.
Train too.
This is Exchange Place. So let's go. And I will pause it. It's like
They can't fit my name.
I will pause it when we actually like almost get to the tunnel. So be right back. Once again, I'm sorry I keep pausing. It's just this video will end up being like 24 minutes. So okay, so be right back. We are getting closer and closer to the tunnel.
Please, where do you want to go?
We have 5 more stops after this. We're getting closer and closer. Okay, we're here. This is where the PATH train stops, which is kind of like a subway, where the subway stops. So
Bobby, can you choose anywhere but Bergamot Avenue?
when we get to the tunnel, I will,
Can you choose anywhere but Bergamot?
Okay, guys, I have to show you this. Look at this park over there. That is so cool. We went there last year. It was so fun. It is so fun. I'm gonna take a video of going to the park soon, maybe. So now this is the last time. After this, I'm not gonna show you any more thing. I'm just gonna show you when we get to the tunnel. So we'll see you then. Look at the city. Look at that. We are almost at the tunnel, guys. We finally did it. See to the city. All that is New York. All of that is New York. We're almost at the tunnel. So, we're almost at the tunnel. We're so close. Alright, guys. So, here's the tunnel. We are going to get off with a 21. You're excited. Here we are. So, we're going to turn.
This is not the tunnel. We're not in the tunnel.
Yeah, look. See that? See that?
Whoa. 2.
That's the tunnel.
3. Well, like 3.
Here we are. There's the tunnel right there.
1. We're not screaming.
We're in the tunnel now. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe, do all that good stuff.
This doesn't look like we're going fast. Just look.
Yeah, see, that's the exit. Okay, so
That's the exit, and it's
When we
not
get off.
going that fast, is it? Yeah. Look over there. That's the exit.
okay, we're about to get off here. Okay, we're about to get off. About to get off. Here we are.
I got those 2 bags in time.
Thank you.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff.
Come on. Yo, watch yourself. Watch yourself.
So when the train takes off, I'm gonna end the video. See? Okay, I'm gonna end the video now. As soon as this train leaves. This is the train. Okay, bye train. Bye train.
Don't go on that. Don't go.
It's windy.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay. See you in the next video.